Hey you guys, today I'm bringing you a self-care box that you can put together right at home. This box can be so convenient, so I wanted to show you some essentials that you can throw in there, so let's get started. First things first is to find a box, and you need something you can read, something you can write in, and something you can study. So my current book, my favorite journal, and my devotional is perfect. Next, you want to keep some type of your favorite face mask for whenever you just want that spa treatment. I also love to keep a cute little mug handy always. I know whenever I want a little tea or coffee, I know I have a clean mug already. And this here is just one of my favorite teas, and I love to keep those in there as well. Pens, of course, for my journaling. And these little tissues come in handy all the time. I have these everywhere in my house. I'm not really into shaving my legs anymore. I found like a better alternative. This here works better for me. I like to just keep it all in one spot. And of course you need some handy hair supplies because I'm always looking for a brush or a hair tie, and now I know I can go right to my self-care box to find them. And my favorite hand and feet moisturizers are a must-have in my box. And it helps me to remember to moisturize at night because I keep my self-care box right under my nightstand. And I love to keep this cute little scent, something to smell good right before bed as well. Now I had to throw these in. Of course we need these every month, so I always make sure to keep them stocked in my box. And those Fem Whites are great for travel and just in between cycles. Now it cannot be self-care without some type of body scrub, right? This here scrub is part of my brand Sacred Queens, and this is my sample scrub, but honestly by far my favorite scrub to use to exfoliate, to hydrate the skin, but any scrub will do. This is just my favorite so far. Moving on to candles, it wouldn't be a complete without a few candles, right? To have the handy to burn whenever you just want that relaxing experience or ambiance, right? And this is probably my favorite part of my box, and it's these adorable and cozy little socks that my husband buys me all the time. He knows my feet are always cold, so those are perfect. Along with these facial spa headbands I use all the time when I'm doing facials or when I'm doing my masks or even when I'm doing my makeup. I love having these. Do you guys ever wear these? I love wearing these to bed, as you can tell. I have a few of these and they are very helpful for blocking out the light for like my little cat naps I like to take. And last but not least is a normal white towel. I've worked in hospitality forever and I'm so obsessed with white towels and white linen, and so it's just so good to always have one of these handy. And there you have it, guys, a beautiful self-care box with all of your essentials within arm's reach. I forgot to throw in my little Advil in there, but definitely tweak it to all of your needs, and this little box will be your best friend. All right, thanks for watching, you guys. I love you, and I will see you in another video. Bye.